Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you that a Tornado Beyblade that's a lefty can go on a righty, and I'll show you it's a righty. Here we go, righty, and it also works on lefty. First I'm going to do it on righty. Oh, messed it up. Sorry about that guys. I'm going to do it right there. See, it's going. I was with this. I'll do it to show you its proof. Look, right here. And look, it even fits on it. Messed up. Yeah, you heard all that, right? Hey, look, let's do it on this one. That works on both of them. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and share, please. Peace out.